This one has a lot of garlic. Oh my God. I wish you guys can taste this, smell this, everything. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So today we're going to be making garlic butter clams because who doesn't like butter and garlic? So I have some Manila clams here, and before we start, all of the ingredients are pre-measured, so for the exact measurement, check the description box below. All right, let's get started. So here we have some melted butter, and I'm gonna add some minced garlic to that. And we're gonna turn the heat up. Oh my God, I love the smell of garlic and butter. So we're gonna let it cook a little bit just to get that raw garlic flavor out. I'm gonna throw in some red pepper flake. And you can add however much you like. If you like spicy, put a little bit more. Or you can even just not put it in at all. So I'm just having the garlic for now because I wanted it to spoon a little bit of it for garnish later. So I'm gonna just spoon a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. Even more garlic. All right, now that the garlic is getting a little bit on the golden side, we're gonna add our clams. Sorry guys. Stir. Stir it in. Make sure it gets covered in the garlic. Now once it's covered in garlic, we're gonna add some white wine. And you can really use any kind of white wine to your preference, a dry one or a sweet one. Here I have Riesling just because I had that on hand. And I'm just gonna drizzle some over. And then I'm gonna, actually I'll just add the rest of it. And then I'm just gonna put a lid over it and let it steam. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, as I'm stirring, they're starting to open up. That means they're almost ready. But I want the ones that are still kind of closed to open up. I'll give them some time to open up. So you want to make sure that you cook down the wine so it doesn't taste like that raw wine flavor. And that's why we're steaming it for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the clams are all fully open. So now that the clams are ready, we're gonna start plating. All right, nice and steamy and hot. You can smell the white wine sauce and the butter and the garlic. Oh yeah, I could totally just drink this. Now we're gonna take the garlic that we saved earlier and just drizzle it over. That way you get that nice bunch, more fresh garlic taste. And then you can see it glistening. So yummy. All right. And then we're gonna add some lemon ribbons in there for garnish. And you can actually do lemon wedges. That way it's easier to squeeze. We're gonna have some fresh lemon juice. And then some parsley. And I'm using flat leaf parsley. And then we're gonna finish it off with some extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it, garlic butter clams. It smells so good. Let's try some. I'm just gonna dig right in. This one has a lot of garlic. Oh my God. I wish you guys can taste this, smell this, everything. You get that strong garlic but good flavor. And I really love the lemon juice, and the fresh parsley comes through right away too. I'm literally gonna drink and eat all of this right now. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think. And also subscribe, hit the bell. Until next time. Let me just start over. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh wait. Okay.